Welcome back, students. So now we are going to discuss the theme, moral or central idea of this poem, Childhood by Marcus Nathan. So far we have learnt in explanation that poet Marcus Nathan, that he has tried to identify the different stages of life, especially growing up, in the process of growing up. First, the poet says he talked about rationalism, then hypocrisy, next one is individuality, and finally he got the answer of his question. So when we discuss the theme, when we talk about the theme of this poem, that one thing, it is clear that the poet thinks of his childhood with nostalgia. Nostalgia means to remember, to recall the childhood with love, affection there. So that is what nostalgia. Next, here the poet talked with us about the contradiction between what adults preached and practiced. It means we could say that the saying is different and doing is different. Thoughts are different, actions are different. So that is why one more thing here, outward appearance and real existence. The poet has talked here about the outward appearance is different and the real existence, that is the different one, the reality. Fact, it means fiction and fact, the difference. That is what. Next, the loss of childhood. The poet says that, and we also agree with this fact, that we have to go through different stages of life, childhood, adulthood, different stages. So the loss of this childhood, which is considered as a golden period of one's life, as very precious period of our life, that is compensated by what? Rational thinking, that is rationalism, power of discrimination, power to discriminate the thing, to identify the thing. Next, individuality, independent thinking without any support. Next, and self-confidence. And in the process of growing up in our life, we get the self-confidence. So that is why all rest of the things are possible here. Individual thinking, talking, everything. Then when we talk about childhood, generally childhood, as we know, it is symbolized by some features, some things, or it is identified, it is marked. For example, childhood means what? Innocence, we can say. Innocence. Then purity, love, affection, courtesy. So different things are given here, or softness. So these are the features of a child, qualities of a child. But in the process of growing up, all these qualities start receding, as I told you in the previous module. Receding means reducing, start reducing them. And then it is replaced by shrewdness, cunningness, lying, all these such evils or such qualities that replace that all these qualities replace childhood. So in this way, in short, we could say that poet here, he talks about the childhood of each and every one, which is a very precious period or the stage of one's life there, where in the stage in which we are so innocent, pure, we live with proper care, love, everything, without any discrimination, without any problems. But here, when we grow up, that time the problem starts coming then. Our thinking, everything changes then in the process of growing up. So in a very nice way, beautifully, the poet has picturized he has portrayed the picture of his childhood and the different stages. So now I hope that you might have understood this poem very clearly. The things are very much clear here in front of you. So in this way we will stop now. That's all from me. Thank you.